My most liked feature about the Supashield is that it goes beyond the warranty time.
I was introduced to Supashield warranty by my agent, Garth, who told me about it.
I was introduced to Supashield while window shopping at Courts at the Giftland branch, and I saw a huge flat screen TV on the wall, and I decided I needed to have this one.
So it was a no-brainer for me. I claimed on Supashield on a washing machine. A year later, the same washing machine started to play the fool, and I was informed that they would exchange the machine.
Ide caso che bini temi caso vinque produto vai con ne padrecele, ide in caso cu si non padrecele botai un apparato nuovo. Quindi sa sicuro che botai un apparato di bombase continuo.
Having to call and say I have an issue, with the fridge, and within, I would say, 24 to 48 hours of bringing that issue to courts, Supashield stepped up, and that's why I had my appliance replaced.
Supashield is so good that I don't have to worry about anything. I know if something goes wrong, I have them as a backup. I have them, they could either fix it for me or, of course, replace it with a new one.
They came 7 o'clock in the morning and collected the old television. And when I went to the store to collect the new TV, they did not have that particular TV to replace. I had bought a Samsung 41. I ended up leaving with a 55.